In this tutorial, you will learn how to view your data and customize live maps and stats in AgFiniti. You can view live maps, live stats in the bar, area covered and remaining, as well as customize harvest stats in the stat bubbles. You can view live stats and maps on your iPad, smartphone, tablet, and computer. To use live stats and maps in AgFiniti, you need an AgFiniti account with an AgFiniti Essentials license, an In-Command Go or In-Command Display with a DisplayCast unlock, and internet connection in the cab, as well as a device like a smartphone, tablet, or computer. On the map screen in AgFiniti, under Fields, you can see which field has a live operation in the field with the DisplayCast icon. Choosing that field will allow you to see the live map of your operation. Live Maps provides real-time visibility into field operations, allowing anyone to stay informed even when they're not in the cab. Whether monitoring performance, field progress, speed, and coverage from the office, or coordinating product refills, managing the grain dryer, or overseeing multiple operations, decision makers can stay connected. On the bottom of your screen, you can see the Live Stats bar. In this bar, you can see your display name, crop type, speed, location, and more depending on the operation. You can also see multiple devices and machines across an operation or within the same field. On the legend on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the acres you have covered and the acres you have remaining. Note, you need a field boundary to see these. In the harvest operation, you can change the stat bubbles. Go to the map settings on the right-hand side of the screen. Under Live Data, you can change the stat of the 3 bubbles by using the drop-down and selecting one of the attributes for each bubble. Then, click Save at the bottom to see them on the map's screen. You have now learned how to view live maps, live stats in the bar, area covered and remaining, as well as customize harvest stats in the bubbles in AgFiniti. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.